Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get or activate the AppleCare Plus product on your Apple devices, then this video is for you. First, make sure that you have the full coverage of your device. So if you have bought a physical phone, so iPhone, so it is make sure that you have update or activate your AppleCare Product Plus or AppleCare Product Plus in between within the 16 days, first 16 days. So you can first make sure that if your phone have any coverage, so make sure you simply click on this get coverage from here. So it will actually help you to buy the AppleCare Plus product from your Apple product. So make sure that first you have to simply search for Apple coverage. After searching for that, you have to check your iPhones or your Apple device coverage from here. So from your Apple device settings, you go to general, and from about section you can find your device serial number. Then you have to enter your serial number and complete this captcha from here, and you can simply click on submit to get the details about your device's coverage. If there's any coverage, then you are good to go to activate your AppleCare Plus protection on your Apple product. So simply click on the buy now button here, and you have to simply sign up to your Apple account, and you can buy the AppleCare Plus on for your device, and then you can get the prompted instructions. So you can follow the instructions to activate your AppleCare Plus on your Apple devices. Or if you have any type of issue, then you can actually talk to a representative from this AppleCare Plus. So go to the, let me show you, not here, go back again, and from here you can find the contact Apple support, or you can search for contact Apple support on your browser, and you can find this type of interface where you can actually contact with your representative of Apple. So from here, see all products, or you can view your products. Simply click on view your products or sign in, and then you can ask or talk about the activation process of your AppleCare Plus product on your Apple devices. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.